Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place, the Nomad eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that brownish orangey shade and put that in my crease. And I'm going to take the yellow shade and put that on my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And please make sure to click the like button on my shorts as well as my videos because that helps my channel as well. Now I'm going to use the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Kiss Luxe Effect lashes in the style Opal. Next, I'm using the Sephora eye pencil to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using the Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep, and it's just to keep my makeup matte and to keep my face from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Nomad by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium 3 Praline. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder and cinnamon bun to set where I had the concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440 as my all-over face powder. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush, and this is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take a mixture of those two shades and use those for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that last shade and use that for my highlight. lips, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm also going to use the Makeup Revolution Lip Topper in Exquisite. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this yellow canary eyeshadow look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because it helps my channel as well. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And please share and comment. I would love to hear from you all. I appreciate each and every one of you watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.